Welcome back. Today I am so excited because I am going to share with you a pretty good sized thrift haul. So yesterday I went out with my husband and we stocked up on quite a bit of stuff from the thrift store. I got some super good deals and I am planning on taking these items and transforming them into beautiful home decor, and I'm so excited to share it with you. So one of the things I found, this is actually from a previous thrift, but I wanted to share it with you because it's kind of interesting, and I also wanted to hear, sorry about that, I also wanted to hear your ideas on what I could do with it, or if you really know what this is. It says it's a cheese keeper. I got a really good deal on it. It looks new. It almost looks like it's not used. It comes with these shelves in it, and it's all netted. So I'm not exactly sure what you would do with cheese and something like this, but maybe you know, because I've never seen anything like it. But I think it would be really cool if it was painted. I've also thought about maybe making it look kind of like a lantern and putting a, some kind of circular thing up here, like that you would hang a lantern. But I'm not exactly sure. So if you guys have ideas, or if you know what this is, I would love to know. So please let me know down in the comments if you know what this is. It's a cheese keeper, something I've never heard of. I also found this globe, and I am so excited. I have a really cool idea for it. I have a really cool idea for it, and I'm very excited to show you guys what I come up with, because if you guys have a globe laying around and you don't know how to decorate with it, maybe I'll be able to give you some cool ideas. It would also be a cool gift. But I'm going to be transforming this globe. I also found this vintage, it's iron, it's very, very heavy, frame. Now it is missing the back to it. Like, it's got no glass and it's got no back. I may put one on, I'm not exactly sure. Wilton, it says Wilton on it, but it has nothing to do with cakes. So I'm not exactly sure what that is. But it has a stand too, so you can stand it up, which I thought was pretty cool. This, I think, would be so pretty painted. And I also got this whole bundle of baskets. When I saw the price, I thought it was just for this one, and I was super happy just to get it because it's so cute. It would be cute on a shelf or in any kind of little vignette. It would also be cute if it was hung on a hook with like some ribbon or something. But I actually got all 4 of these baskets for that price, which was cheap. So I got this little basket, and I got this like apple barrel basket, and it's actually lined so you could put like a real plant in it. And I also got this basket too, which also looks like it would be a good planter or a pot. And then this cute little basket. This is the one I really wanted, and I'm super excited about these. I'm thinking, since I got 4 of them, I might do 4 different type of techniques on the baskets, just to give you guys some ideas of how you could make over some thrift store baskets. I also found this shelf, and it's actually wood. A lot of the times these shelves are like that tin, metal, but this is actually wood. And so I'm thinking that painted, this would actually be really pretty. It has little hooks right here. So I'm excited to make this over. It does, it's not broken. I thought it was broken for a second. It doesn't look broken, but it does need to be cleaned and painted. And then I found this, which as is totally not my taste. But it's like a mail organizer, and it would be really cute in an office or on a counter for the kitchen, which is actually, I'm planning on keeping this one, I think. But I'm going to paint this and put it on my counter. You could put phones in here with the cords coming out. You could put pens, scissors. You could put your mail. You could put a laptop even in here to stand up. Like, there's so many options for this thing. So I had to pick it up because it's really a good, solid piece. I also picked up this frame. I actually don't think I'm going to do anything with it because it's kind of perfect as is. But I got a really good price on it, way cheaper than if I would have bought it in a store. And it kind of goes with the theme in my home because I'm kind of doing like a coastal nautical, because I live down the street from the water and sailboats and everything like that. So this would look really cute here in my house. I also found 3 lanterns. I found this green one, I found a red one, and I found a blue one. Now these, I think I'm going to leave them the color that they are. I'm just going to clean them because they're really disgusting inside and out. Like I'm going to try to take this apart and clean it really good. But these would be so cute. Like the blue one would be cute in my house personally. The green one would be really cute too. Except for I noticed when I got home and I didn't notice in the store, it's a little bit broken at the bottom. I'm kind of bummed about that, but it's still cute. And this would be so pretty at Christmas time with like greenery or pit berries like wrapped around it, or in just a vignette with like a little mini Christmas tree. The red one would be so pretty for Christmas. I also picked up this pot. This is ceramic. Now I don't like it the way it is, but I do think that painted, it actually has really cool texture on it. And I think painted, this would be really a pretty vase, just to put some greenery in it. And then I found these, and my plan, there's like so many, like Magnolia Homes has one, Pottery Barn. Where else have I seen it? I think maybe Kirkland's, but they have candlesticks that look just like this at different heights, but they're black, matte black, like metal. So I bought matte black spray paint, and I'm also going to prime them so that it stays well, stays good, stays attached to the glass. But I'm thinking about painting these black. I think that would be really pretty. And they're actually handmade, it says. So I'm not exactly sure what these are. There's no brand on it, but I think painted black. These would be really, really cool candle holders. And then I found this. I forget what it's called with the little bumps on it. I forget what that's called. I just knew it yesterday. Either way, this is super cute. This would be, originally when I saw it, I thought about painting it like a matte black or even like a matte green. I think would be pretty, like a hunter green kind of color. But I changed my mind. I started thinking about it, and I have this like resin stuff that I bought from the craft store, and I'm thinking if I put pretty spring flowers in here and then put the resin in it, it will look like water and it will stay like that, like forever, like it will last. So I'm thinking about not painting this, just leaving it the glass because it's so pretty as is. And then I think that's one last thing. One last thing, did I forget something? No, I think that's it. I found this jar, like a cookie jar. It has a little scoop in it. I gotta take the scoop out. I don't need the scoop. But this would be really cute painted white and distressed, and maybe with something written on it. I haven't decided yet what I'm going to do, but I'm definitely going to paint this. It's made in China, so it's totally perfect to just paint it. But again, this is not my taste, but painted it will be really, really cute. And containers, I'm seeing a lot of containers online that like for sale that have a handle like this, and it actually has a little suction, so you could legitimately use it for like dog treats or cookies and stuff like that. But I'm going to paint this, and I think that's all the finds. I think I shared everything. So if you want to see what I do with these pieces, you're going to want to make sure you subscribe, because I plan to share in the next 2 weeks all of the makeovers of all of these items. Again, if you know what the cheese keeper thing is, please let me know. Or if you have an idea for a cool makeover for it, I would appreciate it. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching my haul, and I will see you guys in the next makeover. Bye.